Agnes is borrowing $800 from Grandma to buy a new phone. She pays her back at the rate $40 per month. Michael is borrowing $1,000 from Grandpa to buy a new guitar. He plans to pay him back at the rate $6 per month. First, we have to calculate in how many months they will own the same amount. So let's put that n will be number of months. So we have to calculate in how many months they will own the same amount. So Agnes, let's write, what will be from $800 we have to subtract, because she pay $40 per month. So 40 times number of months. This will be amount of Agnes, and Michael, he borrowed $1,000. So from 1,000 we have to subtract, and he pays 60 per month. So 60 times number of months. And because we have to find in how many months they will own the same amount, so we have to compare these two expressions. So 800 minus 40n will be equal to 1000 minus 60n. When we solve this equation, we will find the number of months. So let's solve this equation. We have one unknown. I will move expressions with n to the left side and numbers to the right. So we have negative 40n stay on the left. I will move negative 60n to the left, so now I have to change the sign. It's negative, so now we will be positive 60n. This is equal 1000, we copy, and 800 we move from the left to right is positive, so now will be negative 800. Negative 40n plus 60n is 20n. So this is equal 1000 minus 100 is 200. Now we have multiplication, we need to find n, so we will divide both sides by number which is before n, so we divide by 20, both sides. So now 20 and 20 we can reduce, and we have that n is equal 200 divided by 20, 0 and 0 we can reduce, 20 divided by 2 is 10. So after 10 months they will have the same amount to return to Grandma and Grandpa. We calculate how many months. It is answer to A statement, and number of months is 10. After 10 months they will have the same amount to return to Grandma and Grandpa. The second question, we have to find the amount they will owe at this time. To find this amount, because at this time these two expressions were equal, it doesn't matter if you choose first or the second. We have to choose one and substitute n by 10, and we will have the amount that they will own at that time. So we will choose first expression. So we have 800 minus 40n. So this is equal. We have to substitute n by 10. So it will be 800 minus 40 times 10. This is equal 800 minus 40 times 10 is 400. So this is equal 400. After 10 months, they both have to return $400. So answer to B question is $400. And the last question, Agnes claims that she will have her loan paid off 5 months after she and Michael owe the same amount. Find if she is correct. After 5 months, she paid every month $40. And she has to return after this 10 months $400. So when we divide this unknown by $40, we will have after how many months she will pay her grandma. Like I said, we have to divide this unknown which she has after 10 months by the rate she pays every month. So $400 divided by $40, this is 10. So after 10 months, she will return her grandpa all money, not after 5 months. She needs 5 months, more months. So we got, let me write that after 10 months, she will return all money. After 10 from the moment which they both have the equal unknown. Of course, after 10 months she will return all money. So this is not correct that she is not correct that she paid off her loan after 5 months, after she and Michael own the same unknown. So the answer will be she is not correct. Because she needs 10 months to return this all money. This is my solution.